What's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew Vic, and guess what? I'm solo bolo today. And look at that pile back there. Let me show you this giant pile of leaves and branches. I'm about to get this money. Now keep in mind, I have no idea how heavy the bags are, so always pick up the bags and check the weight before you ever give a price, because there's mulch, dirt, and wet leaves in these bags, and they weigh anywhere from 50 to 70 pounds, and I'm not BSing either. So keep that in mind. Don't just look at a job. Always pick the bags up, then hit them with that price. So you know what Matt Vic did? I had to bump that price up. Now these bags might not look that bad to you, but there's dirt and mulch in there. The ones on top ain't that bad, but the other ones are horrible. And I really wish I would have had my guy come in. I'm gonna regret this later on. Now the reason why I didn't have my guy come in is because he got a flat tire in the morning. He needed to change it. I didn't want to wait. I thought the jobs was just leaves. So when the customer sent me the pictures, I was thinking easy money. So I told my guy to take the day off. And you know what? I regretted that by the end of the day. Now the first load is done. It took about 25 minutes. And let me tell you one thing I do know. When it comes to wet leaves, they are heavier than a fat chick that's preggo with 3 babies. I'm telling you right now, this is a heavy load. And my prediction of the dump fee is gonna be, I'm gonna have to say 147. Let's see what happens. So check it out, it was 3,600 pounds, $153. Damn, that was a heavy load. So keep in mind, whenever you go to the landfill and you have green waste and you have bags, you need to open them up and dump them so you get it for a cheaper price. And look what I discovered. Look at that. That's not just leaves. So I had to open every single bag to be able to dump it as leaves and green waste. Dirty hands, clean money, baby. Now I'm heading back for round number 2. And damn, gas prices are expensive as hell out here. It was $3.73. But anyways, here's the tip of the day for you new guys out there that are doing junk removal and you're not that busy. Let's say you're rolling around your town and you see some trash in someone's driveway or on the side of their house. What you want to do is keep some door hangers or flyers in your vehicle at all times. In your personal vehicle, in your work vehicle. So when you see something like that, it takes 2 minutes. Pull over, hop out, drop off a flyer or a door hanger, or even knock on the door and introduce yourself, and you'll get business that way, I guarantee it. So that's for you new guys out there that are wondering why your phone ain't ringing. You got to get your brand out there. You got to plant them seeds. You got to build relationships with these customers, these new customers, because they'll turn into lifetime customers. So that's the tip of the day. Now we're heading back to this job, and I'm ready to get my workout on, baby. And I got me a Red Bull. About to get it, baby. Oh, yeah. I'm just out here trying to beat the rain. And you know what? I don't think it's going to happen. It might rain, baby. Oh, shit. So we're back for round number 2, and here's the pile. It's a big one, but we put a little dent in it so far. Let's get to it. So another 3,000 and something pounds. Now it's time to tarp it up. And that's what we got left right there. Out here just getting it. So load 2 is done and we're heading to the landfill right now. And something you always want to do, whenever you're running late to another customer's house, you want to call them up and let them know. Communication is key in the junk removal business and in customer service. So I'm gonna be late because I'm gonna go do another load over here. I thought it'd only be 2 loads, but it turned into be 3 loads. I'll let the other customer know, hey, I'll be there a little bit late. I'll call you when I'm on my way. So make sure you do that, and don't be late, or don't ever be a no-show, because you're getting more money over here. So I guess I ain't the only one getting money today. The dump line is crazy long. Now the prediction of the dump fee, I'm gonna say $139. It's a heavy one for sure. So it was $189, 4,500 pounds. Damn. So just like that, I'm done. Had to shank every bag like an essay and rip them open, flip them over, dump all the leaves. What a pain in the ass. But you know what? I saved some money. And I'm all about saving cash, baby. And it's starting to rain now. We're gonna be working in the rain, baby. So I still got 2 jobs left. Can you say over 2K in a day? Solo bolo. That's what I'm talking about. So we're pulling back up to the job, and I'm not gonna time lapse this one. I'm gonna try to get in there and knock it out real fast and not get too wet so we can head to the next job. So I'm leaving the landfill right now, and just so you guys can see this, I'm gonna flip this camera around. This is how much weight I removed today by myself. So here's the first one. So the first load, actually this is the third load, was 3,900 pounds. And then there's another load that was 4,500 pounds. And then there's one more load, which was 3,600 pounds. I moved 12,000 pounds of weight by myself today. That's what I call go-getter mentality. And look at it right now, it's raining out here and we're still out here getting money. So we're heading to the next job. And yeah, let's go get this money. Now let's talk about the struggles. The damn kill switch for the liftgate is not working. So that either means it's the fuse or it's the switch that went bad. So we just arrived to the next job of the day, and this is job number 2. About to knock it out real quick. So there's the piece, job number 2. And the liftgate ain't working right now. Now how I'm gonna do this is just leave it on the furniture dolly, then tip it onto this ledge right here, and then pick it up and load it. Let's see what happens. So job 2 is complete. And do you see what's behind me right now? I wish I had my compound bow. There's about 7 turkey right there. What the hell? I went turkey hunting this year and I ain't killed nothing. Look over here. We got Turks everywhere. Anyways, we're heading to the next job. And it is for a business, and there was some illegal dumping going on. So someone dumped a refrigerator, a couple couches, and some cardboard. So we're heading to that one next. That's about a what? 30-yard shot. The only bad thing about wild turkey is they taste like shit. Anyways, so we're heading to the next one. So that lady was like, "Can you do this by yourself? I don't think you can do it." You best believe Matt Vic can get it done. I did so many jobs, solo, bolo. I just always like having an extra hand because you can get burnt out super fast doing junk removal. So keep that in mind. Don't burn yourself out doing all the jobs. I mean, you can do them, especially when you're first starting out, but it can burn you out real fast. So I like having someone with me always to help. Now let's see what we got. You damn illegal dumpers. I actually love you and hate you. I think your dad should have strapped on a condom and not had you. But anyways, on the other note, you make more jobs for me. So we got this right here. And there's also this back here. And we got a refrigerator that way I gotta grab. So yeah. This is what happens when you guys pay cheap prices for people that are not licensed and insured, and they do it for the low. Because they probably want to go and get that sack. So yeah, I'm gonna load it up and get it done. And some you always want to wear is some of these, because homeless people, especially out here in Santa Rosa. They like to shoot up behind dumpsters, so there's always needles and stuff like that. So always be cautious and always wear your gloves. Now here's the last piece of the day, and it's a refrigerator illegally dumped. And can you make good money as a side hustle doing junk removal by yourself? Yes, you can. I made over 2K today, all by myself, solo bolo. Let's load this bad boy up real quick. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and check out our other videos. Until next time, keep hauling and balling.